Apple employs a premium pricing model, setting iPhone prices significantly higher than many competitors, which reinforces the brand's image of exclusivity, quality, and innovation. For instance, flagship models like the iPhone 15 Pro Max start around $1,199, while the base iPhone 15 is priced at $799. This high price approach is not just about profit margins, it's about creating a perception of value that makes consumers feel they are buying into a lifestyle, not just a device. One key tactic is price skimming, where Apple launches new models at premium prices to capture early adopters willing to pay top dollar, then gradually introduces lower cost options like the iPhone SE, $429, to reach more price-sensitive buyers. They also use decoy pricing, offering mid-tier models like the iPhone 15 Plus, $899, that make the Pro models seem like better value for just a bit more. This nudges buyers toward higher-end purchases. Apple's ecosystem lock-in plays a huge role too. The seamless integration of hardware, software, and services means once you are in, switching costs feel high, justifying the premium. They also leverage psychological pricing. $999 instead of $1,000 feels notably cheaper, even if it's a small difference. On the flip side, critics argue Apple's prices are inflated relative to production costs, estimated at $500 to $600 for a Pro model, and competitors like Samsung or Xiaomi offer comparable tech for less. Yet Apple counters this with brand loyalty and consistent resale value. iPhone hold their worth far better than most Android devices.